Now let's take a look at hibernation. So, like in the Did You Know, where it talked about how animals that hibernate are not really sleeping, well, that doesn't mean that they never sleep, because of course, yeah, they do, and actually they spend a lot of time, but that's not all it is. Again, what happens is the animal's body temperature actually drops, their breathing and their heart rate slow way, way down. And the purpose for that is so that the animal can save energy. So if its heart rate was the same, if its breathing were the same, if it were still awake, it would be using a lot of energy, and it needs to conserve it. It needs to save it as much as possible to protect it from the cold. So what it does is these animals will find a place, a cave, or burrow deep, deep underground, under rocks, under leaves, and they will basically, seems like they're sleeping, but not all the time, because they do need to wake up from time to time, sometimes to eat something. Now, not all animals will do that, but some of them do. Another thing that they will do is before hibernation is they will actually store up energy in the form of food. So they'll eat a lot more, and they get this extra layer of fat on them, or blubber, and that also helps protect them from the cold. So two things: it's protecting them from the cold, and it's also giving their body something to use while they are in this hibernation mode. So there's a lot of different animals that do that. There are certain bats, little chipmunks, there are some skunks, one that we mostly know about. A lot of bears will hibernate during the winter. So very, very cool. I know for myself, I wouldn't mind hibernating for a while, just burrow deep down under some blankets. The only thing is I would still need to be awake enough to drink my coffee.